Hi guys, it's Jay from J and D's Retirement Journey. Just wanted to say thanks for watching and please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Thanks so much. Today we're going to do a quick stock analysis of Enbridge Incorporated, ENB. This information is right off the Enbridge website. Their four core businesses are liquid pipelines, natural gas pipelines, gas utilities and storage, renewable energy. They move about 30% of the crude oil produced in North America and transport nearly 20% of natural gas consumed in the U.S. They operate the third largest natural gas utility by consumer count in North America. The company is headquartered in Calgary, Canada. The current price of Enbridge is $39.61. The 52-week range is 35 to 47. Let's take a quick look to see what Enbridge has done over 5 years. Down 13 cents, 0.33. Over 3 years, down 40 cents, down 1%. Over 1 year, down 41 cents, 1%. Year to date, it's up 58 cents, 1.49. So it's been basically flat for 5 years, but you've been gaining the dividend. My favorite subject, the dividends. Let's take a quick look at this here. The quarterly dividend is 66 cents. The annual dividend is $2.63. It works out to an annual dividend yield of 6.53. Enbridge is a Canadian company. So if you have this account in your IRAs, like a Roth IRA and a regular IRA, you don't get hit with a foreign tax. But if it's in, because personally, I'm speaking from my experience, it's in my individual account and my 401k, I get hit with a 15% tax. So that drives down the yield to about 5.5%. So talk with your financial advisor, your accountant, your tax guy, and see what they're saying. Like always do your research before you invest in anything. I'm not a financial planner. This is right for me and my wife, might not be right for you guys. So do your research. My investment accounts mostly are through Schwab. So I get all this information right off the Schwab website. And here you go into the dividends. They compare the peers and ratios. And you get a Schwab equity rating of a C. A payout ratio of 125. Dividend coverage ratio of 79. 2-year dividend per share average, $2 and change. 5-year dividend average percentage is at 6. So you can compare it to everyone and you see what's going on. Another question I see like a lot raised in like chat boards and stuff, they're asked about a K1 with Enbridge. Enbridge does not have a K1, so you don't have to worry about that. Take a quick look at the last 4 quarters. They beat in 03 by 2 cents. They missed by 3 cents in Q2. They missed by 1 cent in Q1. And in Q4 2021, they missed by 6. The PE is 17.5. Forward PE is 17.5. The price earnings 19.8. And the total revenue is almost $39 billion. The 2023 financial guidance right off the Enbridge website. Adjusted EBITDA for 2021 was $14 billion, and the estimate for 2022 was 15 to 15.6. The estimate for 2023, 15.9 to 16.5. The DCF per share, it goes from 497 to an estimate of 565 from 2023, from 2021 to 2023. Dividends are also increasing. According to the strong growth across the business, 8%. 28th consecutive dividend increase, which is great for me because I love my dividends. Strong balance sheet, lower half of debt to EBITDA range. Equity self-funding model intact. Here's the overview from Schwab. You could compare it to the other companies in the industry. The net profit margin, 11.5%. The 3 to 5 year growth is about 3%. The price earnings, 19.78. The valuation here, according to Schwab, price to sales, 2.07. Tangible book, $4.27. Price earnings growth, 535. The fundamentals, net profit margin, 11.47. Return on equity, 9.78. Sales per share, 19. Long-term debt to equity, 114. Earnings per share growth forecast, less than 3%. We're looking at the profitability here. You can compare it to the other companies. Gross profit margin, 38%. Net profit margin, 11%. Cash flow margin, 21%. Cash flow, $3.84. And the cash per share is 40 cents. Looks lower than everybody else. You can take a quick look. Let's take a look to see what the analysts think. Reuters has an outperform on the company. 0 sells, 0 underperforms. 3 holds, 6 outperforms. S&P Global has a hold on the company and a target price of 44. And Argus has a buy rating and a target of 48. Enbridge is a large cap company, has a market cap of 80 billion, shares outstanding 2.02 billion, shares held by institutions almost 50%, which is great. An enterprise value of 147 billion. A number of shares short decreased from the previous month, so that is a good sign. Hope this information was useful to you. Please do your research and talk with your financial advisor before you make any investment decision. Good luck and make a ton of dividends.